Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unblock people on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on my front page, and I have this person that has this story right here, and I have blocked their account just for this specific tutorial. Now, to show you how to unblock somebody, you just go to their profile however you can. You can go to your chat with them if you've had chats with them in the past. You can search them up if you remember their account name, or you can go to their account however you figure it out. And as you can see, Bianca has been banned or blocked by my account. Now, to unblock them, as you can see, you have this blue button that says unblock. You can press that, and you can also go to the three dots in the top right and click unblock as well. And once I click unblock, I will be given a prompt to make sure and confirm that I want to unblock this person, and all you have to do to unblock them is just confirm it. And as you can see, now this person is unblocked. I'll follow them back just in case, and that is pretty much it. It is as easy as that, and pretty much you can do that with any account that you've blocked, and any other account that has blocked you can unblock you in the same way. And that is pretty much all there is to it. As I've said, it is as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.